Hello Marex world, welcome aboard the Marex 375. So we focus solely on luxury family cruising. And what we wanted to look at today on this 375 is the accommodation. Yes, it's family cruising, so cruising means you can go places. And when you get there, you can overnight very comfortably, whether it be for 1 or 2 days, a weekend, or extended periods. So let's pop below and see what the 375 has in store from a design point of view. But something I like to point out when it comes to accommodation is you'll notice that we have glass panels on our doors, and what that does is it gives us more light. We also have glass panels that are opaque in the overheads, and again, that's bringing more light in. Now, in the forward stateroom, you'll see we have 2 large hull side windows. We also have 2 opening port lights. Yes, we have lots of storage. We have the island berth. We have storage underneath. You can lift this up and have storage. But the things we like to point out are the details. So for instance, this curved cabinet that we have here takes a lot of extra effort, but it's giving you, the owner, that extra nice, usable storage space that you're looking for, and it's finished really well. So the primary finishes that we're offering right now are the teak and also 2 or 3 different shades in the walnut. Our decking is actually quite interesting. So in a Marex, we like to use old materials in new ways. And this is actually ash. And what we do is we thermally treat it so we can regulate the color pattern in it, but it caramelizes the top few layers and it makes it very durable, very wearable. So again, we're not having to come in and put synthetics or other materials that might be heavier or not last as long. We get this beautiful teak and holly look out of the ash that we're using. So as we move our way aft, we have our guest cabin. First thing you'll notice about the guest cabin is it almost has a little foyer. So when I walk in, again, I have the large headroom, I have the light coming in, I have my seating area and large side windows. I have even more storage, full-size hanging locker. The other thing about Marex, from the design and DNA point of view, is using the space that's there. So instead of taking a standard mattress size and making it fit to the boat, we take the leftover area that we have and make all of it the berth. So down here is a fairly good sized apartment for a boat this size. Probably the most essential when it comes to accommodations on a family cruising yacht of this size is the head. Something you'll notice about the layout in every Marex is the space is used in a practical way that makes sense. So if you look over here at the head, above it we actually have a drop-down counter space, and that gives us more usable space because, let's be honest, the percentage of time you're sitting there versus when you need the space over here is quite different. We have plenty of storage below. Something else that I like to point out when we're looking at different things, and when you're looking for a new boat, is the fit and finish. Again, stick your hands behind things. You'll notice that with the Marex, it's finished all the way back. There's an A finish, even in places that most people are never going to see. And that should give you the assurance that other parts of the boat that you can't see are extremely well finished and put together. And it's one of the reasons we have our reputation for such a phenomenal fit and finish. We do have large side windows again here, opening port light, plenty of light. So there shouldn't be any complaints from family members or guests, and I'll pop in here again. I'm 6'3". This is the lowest section of it. Facing aft, we have this acrylic enclosure with a bench seat and a full-size shower. And let's be honest, this is what you really need in a boat of this size when you want to get the family and friends out on the water for several days. So that's a brief look at the accommodations on the Marex 375. So if you're looking for more information or you'd like to schedule a test drive, come to our website, marex.no, or reach out to one of our fabulous dealers and we will get you on the water soon.